How to fix beauty mode on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix beauty mode on TikTok. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So when you go to your TikTok application and tap on the plus icon or the create icon, just tap on it and you can see the beauty mode or beautify. And if this mode is not working on your phone or your device, what you can do is get out of this application and go to settings on your mobile device. And right now I am on the settings section on my phone, and now you can see the option that says apps and notifications. And now search for TikTok on the search bar, which is around at the top right side of the screen. Just tap on it and search for TikTok and tap on the TikTok app. And right now I am on the app information of TikTok application, and now tap on the option that says storage and cache. Just tap on it and tap on clear cache, which will delete unnecessary files on your TikTok application, which will help TikTok application to run smoothly on your mobile device. So after following this step, what you can do is go to your Play Store and search for TikTok on your search bar. Tap on TikTok, and now if you see update button instead of open, that means that your TikTok application needs to be updated to its latest version to support all the features of the app like beauty mode. But if you don't see update button instead of open, that means that your application is already updated to its latest version. So even after following this 2 steps, it is not working, uninstall your TikTok application. What you can do is press and hold and drag it to uninstall, and uninstall your app and install it again, and it might work. So even after doing that, you are not able to fix it, you can restart your phone and it might work. So after following this step, I hope that you will be able to fix beauty mode on TikTok. That's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.